So we have some data constantly streaming in to Snowflake. We can visualize that, so a live representation of the tweets per country that's happening behind the scenes. So I'm going to do that in Tableau. So we'll just start up Tableau. Connect into Snowflake. Just got to put your server name of your Snowflake instance there. So I'm going to use our demo virtual warehouse that I've created. Database where the stream's happening is the DemoDB database. And we put it in the public schema. We'll drag in our country table. Just do a quick update to make sure that the data comes out correctly. It's starting to look good. Go to our worksheet, drag that country in, and drag our most tweeted in as well. Let's make that a color diagram. If we go back to our key here, you can see, I'm not sure why that happens. Perhaps if someone, that must be a foreign language for the United States or something of the equivalent. Let's filter that out so that we get the correct value for the United States. I think it's these two, etats unis as well. Now we've got proper United States. Okay. So we've got a key as to who the most tweeted is in each country. What we can actually do is drag the values through as well, so that Tableau will tell me, okay, well, how many tweets are happening in each of those regions. So the United States, Trump clearly winning, 846 to Obama 109. Kenya, Obama is the most tweeted, but that's only one tweet. In Australia, pretty close. Australian Prime Minister ScoMo, Scott Morrison 6, Trump 15. But clearly Trump's the most tweeted about, it would seem. For some reason Russia's coming out with null, having not tweeted about any of those. So what we can see there is we've got 846 tweets with a United States location have happened since I set up that stream. What we can actually do now is refresh. So Tableau is going back to Snowflake while that stream's happening in the background. It's going to refresh the values. So 850, so 4 tweets have happened since the last few seconds. So we've got a live representation of tweets per country that we could set this dashboard to refresh and see exactly how many tweets are coming through in real time. Okay.